In this video, I will show you how to copy traders on Etoro. Etoro has a unique feature called Copy Trader that lets you automatically copy the trades of other investors in real time. To get started, log into your Etoro account and search for the trader you want to copy. On their profile, you'll see a copy button. Click on it, choose the amount you want to invest, keeping in mind the minimum is $200 per trader, and confirm. From that moment, every trade they open will also open in your account in proportion to your investment. You can copy up to 100 traders at the same time, and the system will automatically adjust your portfolio whenever the trader makes changes. If they add or withdraw funds, your account will reallocate accordingly. You can stop copying anytime by closing the copy relationship. eToro also has a safety feature called Copy Stop Loss or CSL. By default, it's set at 40% of your invested amount, but you can adjust it between 5% and 95%. If your copy trader's overall portfolio loses beyond that limit, all trades will automatically close and your remaining funds will return to your balance. This helps protect you from heavy losses. Once you're copying, you can monitor all trades in your portfolio and even close specific copied trades without stopping the entire copy. Remember, the system won't add extra funds to copy trades, but as long as the overall copy account stays above your CSL, positions can remain open and possibly recover. That's all you need to know to start copying traders on eToro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.